I know.
No, don't let him take you. Keep moving to the side.
Here we are fishing Chicago River. Clifford just hooked onto a nice Chicago River common carp. Right on the tail.
Oh shit, I didn't see that bar. Where the fuck is the... Oh shit, it ran underneath the bar.
Combat fishing, guys. Combat fishing.
Did I get it?
Yeah. There we go. Remember to subscribe, guys. Don't be scared, you got gloves, David.
Just grab it by the mouth. Or just get it by the head and bring it in. Don't grab the line. There you go. You come down, Cliff. So Cliff, come down.
Quítale en el suelo.
Another jig. Oh, he ain't even spin that way. Dude, take it off. I got gloves. I can't do it. You can take it off. Because I don't want to rip his fin, dude. You know what I mean, right? So you can swim away. There you go. You want the gloves so you can hold it? That's good. Very good.
Let's see Cliff's type picture. There. Onto the release.